In this video, I'll show you how to check current password on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This works both on PC and on smartphones, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Facebook account. This is the Facebook account, right? Click on the account, click on the settings and privacy, click on the settings. You're going to wait for it to load up, right? That is the settings. So this is the settings, right? Click on the personal details. Once you have clicked on personal details, you're going to click on this password and security, right? You can see the saved logins here. So this is where you can find your current password here on Facebook. Click on it to get this option displayed. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.